I think the thing that sets Redcon EMS apart from the other EMS manufacturers is our breadth of capability and our familiarity as an OEM ourselves. We are an OEM, and therefore we understand the trials and the tribulations that an OEM can experience as they get into production. And so we bring that with us into our service offering here at Redcon. In addition to that, we do have a full scope of services that we've developed for our own products. And therefore, everything from design services to NPI services into production, warranty and repair, as well as end-of-life services we can offer our customers. And I think that's a big differentiator for Redcon. We really believe that communication is key to the success that we have with our customers as far as understanding the expectations they have, understanding when product, of course, is to be delivered. And when it comes to the design cycle, we really want to make sure that we're in tune with the real need that may not be expressed, but we understand it from our own experience what they're actually saying. So I think there's a real effort in communication that it really has helped set us apart from our competition. We're an extremely fiscally responsible company, privately held, and we have full control over our cost structures, and that gives us the opportunity to be a very competitive player in the upstate market and what I'll call the northeast region of the country, and in some cases internationally. So even though we have these robust quality systems, it hasn't impacted our ability to be cost competitive.